Hello everyone, I just wanted to get on here and show you this little package I got from Fly Rhopa, and I found her on Instagram and I follow her there. I got this a few days ago from her, and I just wanted to show you guys like what I ordered from her. So what she does is have press-on nails among some other accessories that she carries in her line, and so I wanted to share that with you. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you. It's really cute. She has like pink a pink box and pink stickers and what have you. She recently had a sale on her website, so that's why I went on and got me a few things for myself, and she had very fast shipping, so which was great. She also had a little surprise that she was doing, so you had to play some games, be interactive. So I did win that, and it was like a birthday theme type thing for her, so I appreciate her giving me that as well. And this is how the inside looks. Thank you for that. And then here is my bag, and I'm sorry my background's kind of messy. I just kind of shoveled everything to the side. Oh. And then here is this. It's a very cute stuff. Another little thing here. And then this fell out of this packaging. So what I'm going to do is open these things that I got from her. And it says thank you. Very cute. Everything's still pink. So this fell out of this wrap part. So it's eyelashes. And they are mink 3D hair. And then this style is called Life Goals. Very cute. Okay, and I ordered this from her site. So I want to tell you that this also comes in different sizes. So this is the smallest size. I forgot how far this is, but it looks to be about maybe an inch or so. And so I think she has like 2 other sizes, so bigger than this, so 2 more sizes above this as well. And I got the silver, and I can't wait to wear these actually. And her little card. And then it looks like she wants to say hashtag stay Fly Rhopa, and then tagging her as well, which I will do. And then here's her business card. And here we go. Here are the websites that you can follow, which I am already following. And then this is a little cloth, and so that's for your jewelry. And I assume that already comes with it, so that's great. And then I have this little card from her. Very cute. And it says, welcome to the Kaleidoscope. You are now part of the Fly Rhopa Kaleidoscope, where our only goal is self-love. No matter where we come from or what we've been through, we all have the potential to be beautiful, beautiful butterfly. Stay fly, butterfly. Tag us in your pictures. And then her hashtags as well. Very cute. Okay, I ordered this here. I don't remember if I ordered two. I thought I ordered one, but who knows. I might have to go back and look at my thing. Oh, these are cute. Oh, that matches the earrings. That is way cute. Thank you. I hope that wasn't a mix-up, but those are cute. And it comes with its own little bag here as well. Oh, and here is the eyelash tools. A spoolie and a holder for your eyelashes. Those are excellent to use. And I use those as well. Okay, here's the other pair here. I gotta be quick because I'm running out of time on my phone. I don't have a lot of room, so. And these are the ones I ordered. Comes with a bag as well. Sunglasses. So I'm going to take this out actually so you can see it. Oh, I can't wait to wear these. I broke and lost a few of my sunglasses. So these are like a replacement, and it's a must for me to wear sunglasses just because I have light sensitivity. So I can't wait to wear those. And she has more than this on her website. So I will kind of put her business card or whatever on the screen once I'm finished. And these are actually what was in the birthday winnings. And this I know is like a nail enhancement remover. And it's from Nails Infinity. I know that. I have actually bought from Nails Infinity separately, but I'll link her information as well. But first and mostly, I'll do Fly Rhopa stuff. And this is my winnings. Winner, winner, winner. Very cute. And my little card says sunshine. And it says, thank you for attending our B-Day bash. As a fellow nail lover, I hope you enjoy your prizes. Sending you much love. Stay fly. I like that. Very cute. And then here is this little thing. So again, I'll put her business card on there. Thank you very much, Fly Rhopa. And here is her information. And I will link her stuff in the account below. Again, thank you,